Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect baked chicken thighs recipe. These are juicy, absolutely flavorful. Before I get started, if you're new here, please take a second to subscribe. Also, if you like today's recipe, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Alright, here's what you need. 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, half tablespoon paprika, half tablespoon creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon adobo seasoning, half teaspoon lemon pepper. Give that a mix just like so. Next, I am going to pour in about 1/4 cup of oil in there until I have a consistency like this. Now I'm going to grab my clean chicken thighs. This is about 1 pound of chicken thighs. I am taking that marinade and pour it all over, and guess what you're going to do next? You are going to rub that seasoning in and give the chicken thighs a nice luxurious massage. All right, now I am going to flip them over and marinate the other side because we eat both sides, so you have to make sure you season this chicken thigh from head to toe, okay? If I do sound a little stuffy, it's because, yes, I am sick. I just got back from my vacation and I am sick right now, but I gotta come through with a video for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Now that the chicken thighs looking absolutely well seasoned, I am going to pop them in the oven on 375 degrees for about 40 to 60 minutes. Once they're done, you have yourself the most juicy, flavorful baked chicken thighs ever. I hope you try this out for the family. This is 10 out of 10, would recommend because the flavors are mind-blowing. Anyways, I hope you try this out. Ooh, look how juicy this is, and let's not talk about the flavor. Anyways, I hope you try this out for the fam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.